It's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen, and today I am making a beef and hominy casserole. This beef and hominy casserole recipe is everything you want in comfort food in one hearty and warming dish. Start by cooking the onions and the beef together. Cooking the onions and the beef together helps save time, so you don't have to cook them separately. You don't have to add any oil. Use a spatula or spoon to help break up the ground beef. So we'll cook this until the ground beef is done, and then we'll drain it. Now the beef has been drained, and we'll sprinkle in the cornstarch and the spices. So we're just gonna put all that in and stir it. You want everything to be completely coated. You don't want like a clump of garlic powder or anything. The cornstarch is gonna help thicken the mixture. Once everything is coated in the spices and the cornstarch, add the canned tomatoes. We're using no salt added diced tomatoes, and we're adding it with the liquid. If you can't find no salt added, or you grab the ones that are regular, don't worry about it. So stir that in, and you'll notice that it's more of a pink color instead of red, and that's because of the cornstarch. But it'll get back to a deeper red color once it's cooked. We're just gonna cook this for a little bit. Then we'll add the hominy and stir that in. So let this cook for a second on the stove, and once most of the liquid has absorbed, we'll cover it in cheese and bake it. And just press it down to an even layer. So I like to leave it in the pot that it's been cooking as long as it's oven safe, or you can transfer it to a casserole dish. Just if it's in the same pot, it's one less thing to wash, you know? Then we're gonna cover it in cheese. You can do cheddar, you can do spicy, you can do whatever. This is actually a combination of jalapeno cheese and regular sharp cheddar. It's just what I had left in the fridge. So sprinkle it with the cheese, making sure everything gets a little bit of cheese. Okay, then transfer it to the oven. It's ready. Let it sit for a minute so it's not 1,000 degrees, and then you can enjoy it. I'm gonna leave these here so I don't forget that this is gonna be hot. Let's eat. Oh man, look at that cheese. This is just straight delicious comfort food. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. It's so good. Transfold. Once most of the liquids I'm just a sweaty mess. It's ready to be eaten. It's 1,000,000 degrees right now, so don't actually eat it just yet. Wrong shirt. I'm gonna try this again. Let's see. Just knock that out of the way. For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen.